me nyame me body because nyame body nyame wa body you wa bomb. Okay, so the God aspect in me, dear no was me body. Okay, so it is when you begin to speak. When you speak, you prophesy your future. Whenever you speak something, you prophesy your future. Okay, listen to this. Our words have creative powers. And to me a body because Bible said in Genesis said Bible said why? Because of Jumi and away Radimu and the Bible might just say yes so okay, so you can create your world. You can take over your marriage from the dark world. You can make it. So Daniel according to Jenny Bonfire, so the Sahara Suma, I was so bonfire. So the reason why you should pray, they say there were the two for there are rulers, there are principalities, there are powers. And there are spiritual hosts of wickedness. Spiritual hosts of wickedness. Okay, that's why you should pray. Spiritual host of wickedness. Okay, so this spiritual host of wickedness and the puppet being one of my faith. And the puppet being one of my these people and the being where they are wicked. They are very, very, very wicked. Okay, so the Christian needs to come to a sense of say I was some bomb pie because you will soon be as if you are no man. On young person, someone dimmer. Bible said, "On my, I just saw one of the cum. No, we are no idea, no, I say. Okay, it's in the Juma. So, sir, relax, not say, oh, Dahanum, not say, oh, more pie, we are Christian, not more pie. Not that it was Anna 2020 bedroom, or because why I send you what's now. Okay, so this is why you should pray. There is a dark world, and so therefore that is why you should pray. Because out there you don't need too much hours of prayers. Bompire kakra say 20 minutes now bompire. Okay, and sumo at 2 for a kayachi. Every time be on deity a king as your boyfriend. But so bompire and most of the times you need the power that we have. Juma be brave. I was spiritual. In the spiritual world, I dare the time kasa and nun kasa. So when the Christian realizes said, no, I have this power. Okay, there's power in you. Okay, so whenever you wake up, you speak to, you make sure you decree something. You declare words. Okay, so whatever you want to become in life, you speak it out. And so until you pray, nothing happens. Until you pray, the Christian should pray. See, prayer itself is like a vehicle or a car, okay, a motor that transports our blessings from eternity into now. That is prayer. Prayer is like there is no other vehicle. It to me so never found near my bro. It's only prayer. Daniel Bompire now a real true for so what I say. But later I got Kojimano, Emma Asa, okay, so it is prayer that is the only vehicle that can transport your blessing from heaven into time now. So if you don't pray, there's no way you can receive your blessings or your destiny. Listen, you don't pray say right, this is a shepherd. How? In other ways, no, I attended the Yamenyakopo. I didn't know what's in Yamisha shepherd. Yame Andromo, Wama shepherd. So what you do, they said, you enter into a room of prayer. Shall PM not by free rally. Until you accept to pray, until you build a prayer life, you will be stagnant in life. Let me read another verse. Ezekiel chapter 11, verse 1. Ezekiel chapter 11, Verse 1. Why should you pray? Why should you pray? Why should you pray? In Ezekiel chapter 11, verse 1 says, then the Spirit lifted me up and brought me to the east gate of the Lord's house, which faces eastward. And there at the door of the gate were 25 men, among whom I saw Jezaniah, and the son of Azar, and Pelatiah, the son of Benaiah, princes of people. Verse 2. And he said to me, Son of man, these are men who devise iniquity and give wicked counsel in this city. Oh my God. Ezekiel chapter 11 verse 2. I'll say, and he said to me, Son of man, these are the men who devise iniquity and give wicked counsel in this city, who say, this is not near to build houses. Listen, verse 3. Who say, it is not yet time for you to build houses. Verse 2. And he said to me, Son of man, these are men who devise iniquity. There are people who only devise iniquity. Omono omabra omo nyina ne se omesusu bone e de ama ye wodoma omobra omo nyina ne se omeka se da bi we de mani nsin hie ye wodoma omo so ye omeka se na we de otu kwan kra e de na faso ye benya onso ye wodoma omo tu bitina se ka se da bi we de yapene but se o sorry na se o bon pa pe so omo pinio so omo pinio erade e be ba o se na be mo. Say I come for pinio, so I'm on pinio, and I'll take a barber show on Slabbing. Bible said, Ezekiel chapter 11, verse 13. Who said, it is not time to build. Hey, Nipa on Mouse, oh dear, man, so see that. Okay, but also 1 year, bread and economy, what probably economy, sir. Okay. I really am a penny and I dream. I mean, it shall not on your case. I mean, shall on your case. Meaning, say, Abra, a same way about payment of a shall see it now on pie because prayer is a daily necessity. I will say every time you pray. Oh, yeah, banker, you need to pray because there is no vehicle. Once again, there is no vehicle. Okay, let me read one verse. And then we are done. Psalm 10 verse 8. Psalm 10 verse 8. Psalm 10 verse 8. Psalm 10 verse 8. He sits in the laughing places of the villages. In the secret places he murders the innocent. In the secret places he murders the innocent. We read it in Psalm 10 verse 8. He sits in the laughing places of the villages. In the secret places, he murders the innocent. Okay? Nobody needs your permission to harm you. Nobody needs your permission before he will kill you. He will before their time. Nobody needs your permission to destroy you. Obia nya se oba catch us about me patron person no say no. Okay, they sit in the laughing places of the villages, in the secret places he murders the innocent. Anything also on pie because obi se chiri e kan chiri ya obi se baby e domel obi se baby e toyare e de man. Anything also sorry about pie. I believe that when you stand to pray, God will come into your life. I believe that when the Christian brother stands to decree a word, God will come and be of a blessing to the person. In the name of Jesus, our time is fast spent, and then we're going to end it here. My name is Prophet Daniel Sechi, a servant of the living God from Niotes Prayer Network. May the Lord bless everyone, and the Lord keep each and everyone in this, in this blood that speaketh better things than the blood of Abel. Okay, Nyankopon ma efa ye nhye na dom ene ne moja ekasa esen Abel moja erade enhye nyina na onye nyina akese na yenya adwen bi se ye wose ye bonpae ye wose ye bonpae bi kofia ne bonpae ama wo ma Okay, you need to pray and then store them for your people. Also, bomb pie, not store pie and effort or mount. So bomb pie or bound now in here, or so bomb pie. Okay, for God to come in your life and make it beautiful. Now, meaning say a breast so say a rade. Ede mwaye eba obeye okese no ayo fefefe me dey the Reverend Daniel Nyamisha na onyo okese. Join my own prayer network on 0556612824 and then pray with us every Tuesday and Thursday. Nyame come na onyo okese. Bye bye.